At IP House, we provide a secure, resilient and flexible co-location data center service. We heard about TwistedPair through our power contractor. They recommended TwistedPair to us because of their technical consultancy and installation services.
IP House particularly faced some challenges around the fact that they were a start-up business, which meant that we had a limited budget initially with regards to the project, but they did have a long-term commitment, so we wanted to make sure that it was a modular solution, that it would scale as the company grew, and that would expand moving forward as more customers invested.
Working with TwistedPair was easy. They continuously went above and beyond to provide a top quality service, right from the initial concepts to the implementation, testing and commissioning.
The solution we recommended for IP House was based on the Hellman Titan RapidNet solution, which allows for copper and fibre to share the same rack panel space, which frees up additional space in the rack for customer IT equipment, perfect for IP House and their particular customer needs.
We measured the value of this project through the scalability, which align with our business evolution plans. We're able to deploy rapidly in what is a fast-moving market, and that's why this project has been such a success.
At TwistedPair we have a great technical team, predominantly because we invest in our people and we offer continual professional development and training. A lot of our middle and senior management actually started on the tools, which provides the business with a great foundation.
My favourite part of the installation was the design. It underpins our infrastructure and our deployment strategy. With excellent capacity planning, it's going to really allow our business to grow.
My favourite part of the project with IP House was really that we were able to demonstrate our ideas and be innovative. They were a start-up business, but they were really ambitious, and that really gave us a platform to collaborate with them and share ideas.
The future plans at IP House are an additional 11 pods further to the one that's already been installed. We also have a secondary larger data suite, so we'll continue our working relationship with TwistedPair. There's also discussions ongoing for digital signage, audio-visual work that could be implemented in the facility.
We delivered IP House's first project with us on budget and on time. This knowledge and breadth of relationship allows us to offer innovative solutions for all of our customer needs.
If I had 3 words to describe working with TwistedPair, it would be seamless, innovative and passionate. Seamless, as they were able to integrate perfectly as a part of our team. Innovative, because of the ideas that they were able to bring to the table. And passionate, because they were clearly passionate about the technical services that they provide.